Hi everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 6th day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. I completed my 5 days of this challenge and I'm very happy that I'm doing well. I'm doing it in a regular way. Okay, so in my previous videos, in the starting videos, I gave my introduction and how I started my journey. Okay, and of course it is a challenge, then I will have to speak continuous in my videos. So what will I do? I'm going to take any particular topic and I will speak on it so that I can complete my challenge of spoken. Okay, so yesterday I spoke on consistency and today's topic is hesitation. Okay, like if I talk about what is hesitation, hesitation is just a state of doubt. Okay, and like whenever we do a new thing, okay, and we feel something, we feel doubt about that thing, so hesitation rises in our mind. Okay, so if I talk about myself, whenever I do new things, of course I feel bit doubt that can I do it, that can I do that thing, and am I able to do that thing? So that doubt, that doubt is a cause of that hesitation. And when I started my this speaking English journey, and in the starting I feel also hesitation, even I did lots of efforts to start that speaking part, because being a Haryanvi, I don't have any environment to speak with uh, English, with with people, with I, as I told you in my videos, in my previous videos, that I do mirror practice and other things. But as I feel hesitated to talk to people. But uh, hesitation, I'm just telling you, hesitation can be removed by taking a step, by taking a bit courage. Okay, like we can do one thing, that whenever we feel hesitated, okay, so just take a deep breath and say to your mind that if you can think, then you can do also. Okay, so what I do whenever I feel hesitated, I just like take a deep breath, and whenever I feel doubtful about something, it just what I think at that time, like if I can start that thing, then I should complete it. Of course, like whenever we start a thing, then we should have completed. We Because there is no way to leave that thing in between. Okay, of course, there is a key to there is a key to complete any work, anything, that if you start anything, then you should have complete. Don't skip it in between. So and hesitation is the main cause of leaving that particular thing, because whenever doubt came in our mind, we start thinking that we can't do that particular thing, and we feel hesitated, and like we are going to leave that thing and quit that thing. But hesitation is just a state of mind of when like state of doubt. So it's just a it's just a state of mind. If we calm our mind and say to our mind that everything is okay and I can do it. It is like did you watch Three Idiots? And it is like all is well, all is well. So it's just a thing that don't feel hesitated. Just do. If you start that thing, then you can complete it. And of course, if I talk about my thing, like if I talk about myself, then now while making this video, I feel even hesitated. See, still I'm making that video, because of course, if I start that thing, then I should have completed now. Like if I start that video for making for making upload, for making for making that for making upload. So sorry again, because I'm feeling hesitated at that time. That's why I'm doing, I'm feeling fumble, but it's okay. Because before starting this challenge of spoken English, I feel very low and low spirited person. You can say that, like I have very low confidence, because and now, like, see, I'm sharing all my inner thoughts as I'm feeling hesitation. Still I'm making that video. So what? It's just a state of mind, and state of mind can change with our thoughts. So that's why I'm happy. And of course I'm making mistakes. I made some mistakes while making video, and sorry for that, and thank you for being with me. And if you like my like my efforts, so please stay tuned with me. And I'm very glad that you are watching my videos, and you are like giving me support. And so if we support to each other, then there is a very good thing, that every person feel high spirited, and they can also think to do new things in their life. So thank you so much.